Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the Leggears Vlog channel. The video you are watching right now is of me riding on the Bear Tower Swing ride at Kermes. It was completely safe for me as I went solo, and it was very smooth ride too. And also it was so beautiful from up there. I enjoyed every bit of it until the end. So let us talk about some religious thoughts here. As we were flying high above Earth, it made me realize how God created heaven and earth with all its beauty. When we look down from such heights, we see everything looks small and insignificant, just like our problems seem big when we face them alone, but they become manageable once we seek help from Almighty Allah. He can make even the biggest challenges seem small and easy to overcome. Flying high reminds us that God is always present, watching over us. We may feel distant or lost sometimes, but He sees everything clearly. His love surrounds us, just as the sky embraces the clouds. No matter where life takes us, God is always close by, guiding us through each moment. From up here, it becomes clear that peace comes not just from within ourselves, but from trusting in His plan. God has given us strength and wisdom to navigate life's journey. Like birds soaring effortlessly in the wind, He lifts us higher than our struggles. Our faith gives us wings to rise above fear, doubt, and anxiety. With Him, we find courage to keep moving forward, no matter what lies ahead. In moments of stillness, like being suspended mid-air, we learn patience and trust. Life often feels uncertain below, but when we lift our hearts toward God, His presence brings clarity and comfort. Each swing upward strengthens our spirit, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Even though we might be far away from the ground, our connection to God remains strong. Through prayer, reflection, and gratitude, we draw closer to Him. Just as these swings move steadily, so does our relationship with God grow deeper. With time and devotion, let us embrace the journey of faith one step at a time, knowing that God is guiding us along the way. As we fly high, we remember that God is our protector. Just as the tower stands firm beneath us, He holds us steady no matter the storm. His care extends beyond our sight, wrapping around us like an invisible shield. Trusting in His protection allows us to rest peacefully, even amidst uncertainty. Let us take heart knowing that with God, there is nothing to fear. His strength sustains us through every trial, and His presence brings peace into our lives. In moments of doubt or fear, we can lean on Him completely, knowing He will never abandon us. Let us live with confidence in His protection, for He watches over all things. As we look down on earth from above, we see how vast and beautiful it truly is. God has created everything with purpose and care. Just as these swings move gracefully through the air, so does our life follow His divine plan. Each moment of joy and sorrow shapes who we are and brings us closer to Him. Let us cherish every experience, knowing they all serve a greater purpose. In times when things feel uncertain, let us remember that God sees beyond what we can. He knows exactly where each swing will land, and He guides us toward peace and fulfillment. Trusting in His wisdom allows us to rest peacefully, even amidst chaos. So let us lift our hearts toward heaven, finding strength in prayer and gratitude. With faith, we know there is nothing to fear, for God's love surrounds us always. May we live each day with hope and courage, trusting that He is guiding us along the way. Thank you for watching my vlog till here. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button too. See you soon with another interesting video. Take care until then, bye-bye.